Hello, we are engineering students at UW-Madison and INTEREGR170, and we are the Lemur Squeezers. Our client is Elise Gorshels, a zookeeper for primates at the Henry Vilas Zoo. Our project is the Lemur Squeeze Cage for Injections, where the goal is to create a cage using a movable board to hold lemurs in place when receiving vaccinations, while reducing lemur anxiety and promoting safety. Our first design uses rollers attached to a movable board to roll across contained tracks on the side of the cage using guide rails. The board would be locked into place by pinching the wheels through compression on the track. Our second design has tracks on the top and bottom corners of the cage for the board to slide across, this time with exposed wheels. The track would be fabricated with set intervals along the bottom to lock the board into place and secure it in with a screw that fastens to the track through tapped holes in the board. Design 3, our last design, involves attaching rods to the movable board and using them as handles to manually push the board. The rods will be locked into place using clamps, similar to a circular bicycle clamp, which will be mounted on the outside of the cage. Our highest priority is lessening lemur anxiety and promoting safety for the veterinary technicians and lemurs. It additionally needs to have a high ease of use and effectiveness. Based on the risk of mechanical failure, injury to the lemurs, and the relative difficulty of use, we chose Design 3, the clamping rods. Our final design involves an acrylic board with 3 threaded flanges glued on with an additional layer of acrylic in between for stability. With a threaded flange, we can easily attach or detach PVC rods that go through the cage side. The rods go through circular clamps attached to the cage by a 3D printed mount with grooves for the cage wires and held with zip ties. To use, you simply need to push the board and then close the clamps. This holds the lemur in place between the board and cage wall, immobilizing them for vaccination.